Hello, this video is to hopefully offer you a solution to the drive line, the staked U-joints on the Cherokees. This one's a 2010. Here's the thing. These U-joints being staked, if you were to go to an auto parts store and ask for a U-joint for this car, obviously you can't buy one. You go to a dealer, they're going to want to sell you the whole shaft. These shafts are about $860. Now, it seems kind of ridiculous to me that a vehicle that was originally anyway designed to be an off-road vehicle would have a U-joint in it that you can't replace. I mean, does that seem ridiculous to anyone else? There is a solution. Now, I'm not going to go through on this video how to get this out. There's plenty of videos out there to show. In fact, there's a couple of really good ones to show how to drive these staked U-joints out, so I won't repeat that process. I just want to show you a solution that's about $100. And here it is. First of all, let me tell you, it's Rockford Driveline, okay? And here's their part number. 43014. That's for this U-joint, and I'll explain that in a minute. And then there's this flange, this yoke. Now, you don't necessarily have to buy this, but here's the deal. In order to use this U-joint, what they've done is they've put the retainers on the inside, like so, you see? So that the U-joint cap can't come outward with inertia, of course. And tremendous inertia. But in order to use this, you have to take your original shaft and have it cut from the center line equally out 1.78 inches. Now, that winds up looking like this. Can you see the machining on here? I'll try to bring it by the light. See the machined edges? Right there. And right there. All they've done is take a stock one and clean it up. Now, I could have brought this to the machine shop right across the street. And they wanted about 45 bucks to do it, they told me. Well, this whole part is like 47. So, sure, I mean, I could have got it done the same day if I just brought it next door. But look, now I don't have to worry about any mistakes. You know, I'm covered if there's a problem. If they got it off a couple thousandths off the center and had a vibration, I don't have to worry about that. It's done for the same price. You order this U-joint, or excuse me, this yoke, and you order this U-joint, and your problem is solved. Now, for me personally, I'm just going to cut this out with a plasma cutter. I'm not messing with it. And then I'll drive the caps through, you know, in this way, once I cut the center out. But that's it. You do not have to buy a shaft for these staked in Jeep Grand Cherokee drive shafts. There is a solution through Rockford Driveline in Rockford, Illinois. I give these guys high marks. Good luck.